Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back. So this is inside of our Acer Chromebook. So this is our CB311-9H series. It's the N17Q8 or QB. It's in the title, but I'm trying to read off the lid too. Q8. Anyways, so the only thing that is serviceable in this, other than if you blow a speaker, you can get a new speaker, you're okay. Battery, well, she's a pretty big battery. Takes up the majority of the machine. And if you want to know the model number of the battery, it's an AP19A8K. So that'll be your replacement battery, and looks pretty simple to replace. Way too easy. So that's actually not bad. But yeah, there's no upgradability to this thing. It's all soldered on junk, as we knew already, or suspected, which, yeah. Now, as far as this write protect screw that people talk about for hacking Windows or Mac OS onto one of these things, I have no idea what they're talking about, because there's only three other screws left that hold the whole motherboard in place. So, yeah, anybody's guess? I'm going to have to look into see what the heck they're really talking about on that one, but wow, the looks pretty interesting in there. Not a whole lot to really show and tell on that one, but that's the inside. So I think we'll cut the video here and say have a nice day and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, which will be taking apart our Asus model and seeing what's under its hood. But this is the inside, in case you're wondering what's inside. Ain't much to look at. See you in the next one.